Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is our very first video that we're going to be putting out there because we've had a lot of time during this quarantine, so why not? Okay, so the goal is to pop this watermelon using these rubber bands. We're going to count as we go. We'll probably need to put on like more than one at a time because it'll take forever, but let's see this happen. Okay, so we're going to have to do this together kind of because like, you're going to basically have to like pull it. Just like go. Alright, so nothing's happening yet. Can we do 5 at a time? Let's see. 35?
Theoretically pop off someone's head using this.
Get it. Oh my god, look it. It's wasting. I'm kind of scared. I'm a little too close to the watermelon for comfort. Yeah, if I get hit in the eyeball,
We'll figure it out. It's a problem for future us.
Look at her.
Definitely got a waste.
You can hear it kind of crunching.
Oh, it's giving right now.
No, it's not.
It is. Listen.
No, it's not giving though. Okay, come.
Listen.
Let's like stand up a little. I'm scared.
It's cracking. I hear
Okay,
it
come.
cracking.
But we gotta continue. Wait, let me put this up. Stop! It's gonna pop in your ear.
Put your ear up to
I'm
this.
yeah, I heard it.
Don't point it at me.
I'm not.
Dang, it sounds like it's boiling in there. Put your ear up to it. I'm
Yeah.
worried I'm about to stand above this thing because it's gonna shoot up and hit me in the face.
When is it gonna give? It's got such a waste. Like, does it splatter? I can't. I'm gonna fall out of this chair.
It's giving way. Look at that.
That is a waste.
It's like 2 watermelons.
It's like what is it in science when they separate mitosis? Do you know what I'm talking about? You remember? I might be an idiot.
Oh damn, it's
What?
hardcore leaking over here, man.
Oh god. Okay, let's go.
We're watching these like
Sweet. This is too close to us. I don't.
oh my god. I wasn't ready for that.
My
Damn.
phone.
That thing just exploded.
You fell.
Jump.
No, you fell.
Get away with it. Get away from it.
Look at your shirt. That was not how I thought it was going
I
to happen.
didn't either. I thought I've seen them explode up. This just exploded in all
I
directions.
knew it. I have the feeling. Oh my god. That was crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
Here's the rubber band ball.
Oh no! That's a fat ball. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you know. And let us know in the comments if you want us to do other videos. Any other video. We're probably down to do whatever. So, hope to see you in our next video.
This is the only reason I agreed to do this.
What is that?
Like that?
That's hot. That's hot. No better way than a caveman to eat watermelon.
You're right. Got like hit in the chest with a piece.
Did you?
I was like, I jumped. I was like.